Welcome to CyberSage, your go-to source for all things cybersecurity. Today, let us talk about a dangerous cyber threat, ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that locks or encrypts your files, effectively holding your data hostage and demanding payment to restore access. It spreads through phishing emails that trick users, malicious downloads, or by exploiting software vulnerabilities. There are two main types. Locker ransomware locks your entire device, preventing you from even logging in or using the operating system. Crypto ransomware encrypts your important files, rendering them completely inaccessible without the decryption key. Examples include WannaCry, Ryuk, and REvil, which have caused billions in damages and disrupted critical services worldwide. The impact: data loss, financial damage, and even business shutdowns. To stay safe, always update your software, avoid suspicious links, backup your data regularly, use strong, unique passwords, consider using multi factor authentication, and use a reliable antivirus or anti malware software. Cyber threats are evolving. Stay informed and protected. Subscribe to CyberSage for more cybersecurity insights. Thank you.